Hi everyone, welcome to the accumulation and momentum data analysis for 4th of August. In between, I had taken a break because I was traveling and stuff. So, from henceforth, I should be more regular at this, right? So, today we kind of had a bounce. So, last Thursday and Friday, if we look at the market, we had a pretty decent fall. But today we kind of recovered, right? Almost whatever the fall was on Friday, that was recovered in today's session, right? So we look at the important news and also the accumulation and momentum data, what it is telling us, right? So two important news I have taken up. That is, one is, you see, today the RBI meeting has started. That is 4th of August to 6th of August. So on 6th, they will decide whether they'll cut rates or whether they are going to hold them steady, right? So most of these institutions are suggesting that the RBI is going to hold rates steady at 5.5% repo rate. But because of these tariffs and things, maybe the RBI can also do a 25 basis point rate cut as well. So we'll have to wait and watch. So there is a chance of 25 basis point rate cut as well because the economy is growing and with this additional impact of this tariffs and stuff, probably the RBI can decide that they can even try to spur growth with the help of another 25 basis point rate cut. One more thing that is for the banking sector in particular is the CASA ratios are kind of declining, which is impacting the net interest margin. So what is happening is most of these banks earlier used to have a lot of these savings and current account, but nowadays people have become smart. They usually will not keep too much money in savings account. They would either do an FD, and nowadays since a lot of retailers have come into the market, a lot of money starts flowing into SIPs or directly into the market. So the banks have been struggling with the CASA thing. So that is kind of impacting because CASA is current and savings account. They get money at a very cheap rate. So when they lend that, right? So the margins that they make are pretty solid. And since the current and savings account money is not really that high now compared to what it was earlier, what is happening is it is impacting their margins, right? So these are the two important news that were there today. I thought we'll discuss that in today's video. So now going to the accumulation. So the large cap accumulation wasn't that strong today, although we kind of bounced back, but no follow through buying from the big guys, especially the large caps. But if you look at the momentum kind of improved and it went even higher than the last 5, 6 trading sessions, which is a positive. But like I have usually mentioned, second day follow through is what we would look for to understand that probably we have made some kind of a bottom. So tomorrow's data would be very important here. Now coming to the mid cap accumulation, again there is a slowdown. So no much buying that is happening in the mid cap segment either. Here as well, there is one day of a bounce back that is kind of coming in. So we'll see tomorrow if the momentum continues to move higher, then we'll be very sure that probably the market overall has made some kind of a bottom, right? Short-term bottom, that is. Small cap accumulation around the same levels itself, no real improvement, neither it has dropped much. And the momentum, again here, there is a spike that has come in. And also, if you look at the levels, it is usually the levels from where it tends to rebound most of the times, right? So looking at all this, looks like we can continue moving higher unless there is some negative from the mm, globe, I mean, the overall markets, right? Uh, and if we have something positive from the RBI coming in on 6th, so usually Monday 10 morning 10 o'clock we'll have. So that is Wednesday morning, the RBI decision should come out, right? So chances are if the momentum continues, we might be expecting something positive from the RBI meet, which should push the market even higher. Right? Hope this helps. Thank you.